Unbox my first HelloFresh delivery with me. I've been wanting to do this for the longest time, so I received my first package today and I got 3 meals for 2 servings because that's the least you can actually get, and I went with their random selection. So I did a mix of like pasta, rice and some burger type of meal, and I'm really impressed with what I got in the package. Everything was really well packed, even down to the cold food items, which is in that bag I'm holding. They put like an ice pack there, and it was able to store the cold food for a while, because when I got the delivery I actually left it for like I think an hour before I opened it up. So I'm impressed, like it was still cold when I brought everything out. So I'll be sharing my cooking videos with you guys, so make sure you stay tuned to see the kind of meals I make with the 3 recipes I got. So with HelloFresh you usually get the recipe before you even make your order. You would see like stuff that are not added there that you probably just need, and they're usually little stuff like, I don't know, salt, water, regular stuff you have in your house. So I was okay with the recipe anyway, and yeah, I can't wait to start cooking what I got from delivery, and I'll share that with you guys soon. Bye.